If you're experiencing crashing issues in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and enhance your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Update Java. Make sure you have the latest version of Java installed on your computer. Minecraft runs on Java, and outdated versions can lead to crashes. Visit the official Java website to download and install the latest version. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Increasing the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft can improve performance and reduce crashes. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installation, select your profile, and adjust the JVM arguments to allocate more memory, e.g. change XMZoneG to XMXWOG for 2 GB of RAM. Step 3. Check for mod conflicts. If you are using mods, one or more may be causing the crashes. Disable all mods and then enable them one by one to identify the problematic mod. Ensure that all mods are compatible with your version of Minecraft. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues and crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your system. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing crashes. Make sure to back up your saved files before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your Minecraft experience and reduce crashing issues. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the Minecraft community or support for further assistance.